What's up, YouTube? How's everyone doing today? Great day, huh? It is Tuesday, February 15th, 2022. I'm your host, Ty, and this is Smarter Gambling. What up, Joe? Thanks for being here, dude. Appreciate you.
Hey. What's up?
Alright, so today we're doing the show from Tendy Town. Yes, much needed. What up, Zach? Thanks for being here, dude.
Hey. What's up?
So yeah, today we're doing the show from Tendy Town. Much needed. Yesterday was okay, but past week it's been very volatile. We did pretty good. Came back down under 20 VIX. Then it went crazy again, close to 30. And today much needed. A lot of buying here, a lot of green. All major indexes up a lot today, and so is crypto. So great day today for the bulls at least. So we're doing the show from Tendy Town. Pretty go for me. Hope y'all doing better. Oh, man. Well, yeah, Bulls won today. Rainbow Bear's not too good. But, still Team Rainbow Bear. Eventually, when we get bigger here, I'm going to have some merch, probably. Rainbow Bear merch. I don't know what it's going to look like yet, but yeah, that'd be fun. All right. So yeah, got a great show for you guys today. Decent amount to cover. As always, we'll be doing our daily stock and crypto reviews. And today, we have 3 pieces of news. One about Binance. One about Bitcoin mining in Dakota. Who lives in Dakota? And one about Disney and the metaverse. And yeah, in Dakota, it's all like oil drilling and stuff. But that's actually related to the Bitcoin mining stuff. So we'll get to that. And then today for the analysis, we'll be going over AMC, SPCE, Virgin Galactic. That moon today. Right? Literally. And then we'll do BBIG. So a lot of meme stocks here we're going to cover. Especially, AMC, BBIG, meme stock favorites there. So those all had really big days, a lot of price action. But Virgin Galactic, we don't usually talk about. That one had the biggest price action today. Had some news on that. So we'll get to those. And then we'll get to the Yolos, as always. But today, the Yolos, they were all right. There weren't too many to choose from. I think I only have 3, to be honest. So they're decent, but yeah, Wall Street Bets don't have the best Yolos today, so that shouldn't take too long. So today's show shouldn't be that long, maybe 2 hours, maybe even an hour and a half, depending on how many people come in and chat. But we got a few news articles, 3 in the TA to cover, and not that many Yolos, so shouldn't take too long. So regardless, seems like it's going to be a great show. Some good content to cover. My sub count hasn't been going up that high lately. I think it's a combination between... I think I was shadow banned. I don't think I am anymore. But I think I was shadow banned again. And then there hasn't been much to talk about in the past week. So, pretty disappointing. Sub count's not going up as much as I wanted to. I was doing pretty good for, a little bit there for like a month before that. That's how it goes in this business. It comes in spurts. Comes and goes. So today's video, after I edit it, should be pretty good. Because a lot of price action on these meme stocks today. But yeah, let's do it, guys. And before we begin, please hit the like button. Please subscribe. And catch me every weekday after market close on the Smarter Gambling Show. Second day in a row. Yeah, it's not too bad, dude. But yeah, I know how you feel. Unfortunate, but It's alright, that's how it goes. You'll make it back. Okay. So let's do it, guys. So the Dow Jones finishes up 1.22%. NASDAQ finishes up 2.47%. Big day for the NASDAQ. And the S&P 500 finishes up 1.58%. So the VIX is down 8.9%, down 2.52 points, down to 25.81, almost 26. So that's still not great, you know, but all things considered, we were almost at 30 again. So it's coming back down here. That's a major decrease in the VIX. So we're not out of the woods just yet, but looking more bullish. Coming back to normal here. So let's check it out. So yeah, on the watch list here, number one gainer, Virgin Galactic, SPCE. We will talk about that second today. That's up 31.94%. Give that the rocket again. And BKKT, so we're not going to talk about this, but this has been like low-key short squeezing. BKKT, had a few people come in the chat last week talking about it's going to moon. And I haven't really been paying attention, but this was back at 4 not too long ago, a couple of weeks ago. Now it's at like 8. Let's check it out, actually. So this has been like low-key short squeezing. Damn, Joe should have held, right? Damn, look at that. Went up 100% in about a week here. So that's crazy. That's crazy. Yeah, low-key short squeezing right here. Yeah, we got a lot of memes up today. Wish up 18.3%. I mean, still pretty low, but big day for Wish. BBIG, which we'll discuss third today after Virgin Galactic, 13.5%. Another meme Wall Street Bets StockTwits favorite there. Hey, Microvision's coming back up, 12.75%, back up to 4. Marathon, 12%. Crypto is going up today. Ride, 11%. A lot of memes here. Express, 11%. Riot, 10%. Another crypto stock there. MMAT, 10%. That's pushing $2 again. AMC, 9.75%, which we'll discuss first today. Yeah, so it went AMC. So it was SPY number 1, AMC number 2, Virgin Galactic number 3, and BBIG number 4. Those were the order. That was the order on StockTwits. Top 10 trending. Top 10 most active. So AMC was number 2 today. We'll discuss it first. Big day for NVIDIA. 9.18%. Novavax, 8.76%. Looks like EV's coming up. I see Workhorse, Fisker, Neo, Xpeng, ZEV. Tesla was up too. So EV's doing really well today. GME, 7.75%. That's coming back. Roblox, 7.29%. Uber and Lyft are up a lot. Lyft is almost 9%. Uber is about 7% here. Oxygen, 7.14%. Coinbase, 7%. Looks like travel stocks are up. Cruises, airlines, hotels. More memes here. DraftKings, about 7%. Palantir, 7%. MicroStrategy, 6.78%. Yeah, Carnival Cruise. Tilray, 6.4%. Very nice. Meme Index up 6.33%. Meme Index doing really well today. AMD, 6.3%. Yeah, we got JetBlue, Delta Airlines. Moderna's up 6%. Still glad I didn't buy Moderna there. That would have been rough. Centro. Yeah, Nikola, Centro. Those are also EVs / memes. Marriott Hotel stock. Roku, meme stock, 5.4 or 5.74%. Clover, 5.35%. Tesla, 5.33%. Big day for Tesla. DoorDash 4.84%. Snapchat 4.57%. Hilton, there's a hotel stock. Southwest Airlines. Etsy about 4%. Discovery 3.7%. Twitter 3.61%. Alibaba 3.54%. Kind of seems like Alibaba's holding pretty strong around 120. Maybe it's the bottom. Never know with China. Block 3.2%. What else we got here? eBay 3%, Nike 2.82%, Netflix 2.75%, Viacom 2.73%. What up, Low Roller? Thanks for being here, dude. You heard Ennis Cantor got traded this weekend? Yeah, to Houston, right? It's not Ennis Cantor, dude. It's Ennis Freedom. Ennis Cantor Freedom, remember? But what's up, dude? Appreciate you for being here.
Hey, hey, hey. What's up?
Yeah, I think he got traded to the Rockets for, and Dennis Schroeder. Forgot who they gave up. But, yeah, I think he went to the Rockets for Daniel Tice, which is kind of dumb because they had Tice last season and they just got him back. Cantor is pretty good. Or Freedom, my bad. It sounds so weird. Got to call him Freedom now. Kind of like Meta World Peace, remember that? Ron Artest, Meta World Peace. Just Ennis Freedom now. Been going long on China. China, right? As the orange man would say. Hang Seng looks like it's printing on a bullish harmonic. Not really familiar with that stock. But yeah, sold puts on BKKT at 9, didn't get assigned. You still have them? No, I think they're you don't have them anymore, right? But if you do, that'd be great. I think you got rid of them though, but I sure hope you still have them. That'd be nice. Baba, Neo, Xpeng, KWEB, XFI all got leaps on. Not too familiar with the last two there, but yeah, Baba, Neo, Xpeng, those are all China, big Chinese stocks. So, yeah, China still, it kind of seems like China bottomed out. I'm not going to say it did. But, like, they've been getting beaten down and they've been holding up pretty decently. So this may be at the bottom. Hopefully it is. So, good play there. Hope that works out, dude. And this Cancer got BitConnect this weekend. He got fired from NBA now. Well, he's definitely very outspoken. He's an activist. He says a lot of stuff about China. They can't like that. They canceled a lot of games because of him, or they didn't broadcast. China didn't broadcast a lot of games because of him. He goes on TV all the time talking about this injustice and this injustice, and it's kind of a distraction. I mean, I guess that's cool if that's what he wants to do, but kind of a distraction. So I would not be surprised if no one signs him, because he is just a distraction to the team. But I don't think he got fired, right? He's still playing. Did he get released? I think he's just on the Rockets now. BKKT puts expired. I thought you sold calls. Oh, you sold puts. Oh, right. Sold puts. Thought you sold calls. My bad. Yeah, that would have been great if you sold calls at the 9 strike. But you sold puts. Got you, dude. All right, that's cool. Still made money. Hang Seng is China Index. KWEB is China Tech ETF. FXI is China Large Cap ETF. All right, so that's actually sounds pretty safe. Well, it is China. I guess you never know if it's safe or not, but yeah, those are more like broad funds, index funds and stuff, and ETFs. So, yeah, that sounds pretty good. That's not like total ape mode. That's pretty good actually. Smart investing. I need that meme. The meme with the I don't know who it is, but it's with the black guy, and he's like, I need that meme. Good idea. Got to write that one down. Houston already fired him in 1 day. Boston find the way getting rid of him. Really? I didn't know that. I thought he was on the Rockets. So what, they released him? Oh, that sucks for Cantor. Freedom. Give him the womp womp here.
And it's gone.
And he's gone. What up, Mitchell? Thanks for being here, dude. Appreciate you.
Hey, hey, hey. What's up?
Here's the news. All right, got you, dude. Yo. I'm a 150 in the money on AMC. About time I'm winning this year. Where's my
Winning.
Yeah, AMC. I was thinking about you, Mitchell, because you said you were like pretty big and you were going hard on AMC, and today it mooned. So yeah, 10%. So you must have made some pretty fat tinnies there. So congrats to you, dude.
Winning.
Please smash the like button, guys. Appreciate you guys. All right, got you, low roller. Yeah, we'll get to that. All right, back to this. So yeah, mostly everything in the green here. Great day for the stock market and crypto. GM 2.62%, Disney 2.57%. Got some news about Disney coming up here very shortly, so stay tuned for that. Robinhood 2.4%, Apple 2.32%. Yeah, Microsoft 1.85%, Intel 1.81%, Facebook 1.52%, DWAC 1.5%. It's 420. So, yeah, DWAC, the launch day is coming up here, isn't it? In about a couple of days, on Friday or something. I don't know. I forget the date. But gonna have to keep an eye on DWAC. I think it's going timber. But that'll be very interesting. So we'll see what happens with DWAC. It's selling off in the aftermarket here. Interesting. Kind of right back to where it was. JP Morgan 1.46%, Costco 1.45%. Peloton 1.28%. Yeah, then we got PayPal, J&J, Starbucks, Wells Fargo, Amazon, Google. But yeah, for the most part, everything in the green today. A lot of attendees. Especially for growth. Growth was mooning today. A lot of memes, a lot of growth doing really well today. But, value as well. Everything was up. Really good day all around. So congrats to the boomers, the apes, everyone. All the bulls. Asian guy happy in Alibaba stock today. Yeah, I mean, it's something, but he's still down overall really big. February 21st, DWAC release day. All right, so it's Monday. That's Monday, right? Yeah, that sounds like Monday. That'll be interesting. Got to keep an eye on that. Thanks for that, Mitchell. Roblox falling after hours. Earnings must have gone bad. Really? Let's check it out. Yeah, wow. I was thinking about shorting or buying puts on Roblox when this first gapped up to over 100, and then it went to 140, and I'm like, you know what? Maybe not. Maybe it's actually going to the moon. Because I don't know much about the game, but my little cousins play it, and I'm like, remember the first time, I'm like, what the hell is that? That's Roblox, and I didn't realize how popular it was. There's like YouTube videos about it. And then I saw Nancy Pelosi bought Leaps on Roblox, and I'm like, oh, this has to be doing good. So, I forgot what Nancy Pelosi's play was, but she got Leaps in Roblox. So, that's not looking good. So, yeah, look at that. Looks like a bear flag on Roblox right now. Too many memes here. Here it is. It's going down. I'm yelling timber. Let's see what the earnings are. Yeah, so it says they missed. Where is it? All right. So EPS, negative 25%, which missed the estimate of negative 14 cents. So negative 25 cents. Missed the estimate, negative 14 cents. And revenue, 770.1 million, which beat the estimate of 763.29 million. So they missed on EPS, but they beat on revenue. So actually it wasn't, it wasn't that bad, But they did miss EPS by a good amount. They did beat revenue by a little bit. So, it's not the worst earnings, but yeah, I guess disappointing earnings. And market selling off. It's making a comeback right now, but it low-key looks like a bear flag. So we'll keep an eye on this, but yeah, not good for Roblox. Upstart pumping. What's up with Upstart? This also had earnings or something. I don't know what's going on here. It is, wow, it's pumping a lot. What's going on with Upstart? Oh, stock buyback. Oh, they did have earnings. They had earnings and then stock buyback. So I think they had good earnings here. Yeah, EPS was 89 cents, beat the estimate of 51 cents, and revenue 305 million, beat the estimate of 263 million. So major beat there on EPS and revenue, and they're doing $400 million stock buyback. So yeah, this is mooning right now. Good stuff for Upstart here. No YOLO on Wall Street bets today? Yeah, there was a few, not too many. I picked out like 3 of them, but they were alright. But yeah, Wall Street bets is slacking today, so the YOLOs shouldn't take too long today. Should it go up this week, then you think tie? Talking about DWAC, Mitchell? I don't know. I think it's going to be sell the news. I think it's going down. I have no idea. We'll see, but that's my prediction. I think it's going to go down. Maybe not like absolutely crash, but I think up to this point it was a lot of buy the rumor, and it's going to sell the news. But we'll see. That should be fun. All right, back to this. So on the red side, not too much on the red side. Biggest loser is the VIX. That's a great thing. Down 9.28%. Oh, wow. Silver and gold went down a lot today. What the hell? Silver down 2% and gold is down 1%. Interesting. Wonder why that is. And then ExxonMobil down 1.25%. Lockheed Martin, BP, Chevron. So it looks like the only thing down today is really oil, gas. And then Dollar General, Pepsi, Target, IBM, Pfizer. Pfizer by a little bit. So yeah, really nothing in the red today except oil and gold and silver for some reason. Why is gold and silver going down so much? That's kind of weird to me. Boomers must be pretty mad about that. But yeah, really nothing in the red today except for a few precious metal commodities and oil. So yeah, great day for bulls. Congratulations to all the bulls. Fat tendies. All right, let's move on to some crypto. Please smash the like button, guys, if you haven't yet. Nice. Already got 8 likes. Appreciate you guys. Cool. Crypto. I hear a siren coming, but gonna talk over it. My apologies, guys. So it looks like CoinMarketCap got fixed here. For a while, it kept saying like down 16% every day, but now, yeah, crypto's up 5.26% today. I think that's right. Yeah, that's about right. 5%. So big day in crypto. Huge day for crypto. Very nice. Very nice. A lot of green all around. So let's check it out here. So Gala's trending up 20.5%. Gala's been mooning lately. That came out of nowhere. And then Shiba Doge down a little bit, 0.45%. I don't know what all this stuff is. On LexPA, that's up over 1,000%. Devil Finance. The hell is Devil Finance? Kind of looks like Spyro. You know, the dragon. Interesting. All right, well, Devil Finance, that's up 850%. And then Mark Meta. Mark Meta? Really? What is Mark Meta? Is that supposed to be like Mark Zuckerberg Metaverse? I don't know. Sounds like a bunch of BS to me. Sounds like more another pump and dump. Anything, just put the word meta in it, and then it pump and dumps. And then there's Saitoki Inu. Saitoki Inu. Okay. That's a new one. And then, what's this? Zilla shares. It's like Godzilla. Yeah, that's a picture of Godzilla. So, Zilla shares. Sounds like another meme pump and dump. But yeah, Zilla shares. Alright, enough of that. Alright, so let's take a look here. So we got Bitcoin up 4.5%. Over 44K again, very nice. Ether, big day for Ether, 7.2%, over 3,100. Binance, another big day for Binance, 7.1%. Got an article about Binance coming up here, stay tuned for that. XRP, 4.6%, Cardano, 4.9%. So Solana, 6.9%, lol, nice. Avalanche, 12.5%. Polkadot, 7.5%. Doge, 3.3%. Doge is lagging behind. Not as good as the other coins, but hey, I'll take it. 3.3%. Shiba is closing the gap again. 5.2% there. Crypto.com, 5.2%. Litecoin, 5.2%. FTX, 5.3%. Bitcoin Cash, 2.9%. Decentraland, 13.7%. Axie Infinity, 12.4%. The Graph, I don't even know what this is, but the Graph is up 18.8%. Yeah, Gala, 20.6%. I don't know what this is. BitTorrent, but that's down 20.6%. There's BitTorrent Old and BitTorrent New. Interesting. Because BitTorrent New is up 4.2%. Wonder what's going on there. What is this? Huobi BTC? That's a Huobi coin just pegged to Bitcoin? I don't know what that is. Interesting. Anyway, let's sort this out. I don't see much red here, though. A lot of green. A lot of price action and a lot of green. CoinMarketCap 24 hours, percent working again? Really? Hey, look at that. Now it's bugged again. Now it says down 9.67%, so. Alright, they fixed that. That's cool. So we can stop using CoinGecko. But I don't know why. I don't know what's up with their market cap overall. Every single day, this is wrong. It says like down 10% every day. That's not right. But yeah, let's sort this out here. So, a lot of green. A lot of green. Literally everything's in the green, except for Decred, 3.21% in the red. But everything after that is in the green. So 99% of the coins in the green today. Huge day for crypto. And a lot of price action. So let's take a look here. It seems like most of the price action is from the growth coins, though. But yeah, we got Gala, the Graph, Quantum. I remember I had Quantum way back, 2017. I forgot what I sold it at, but pretty sure it was higher than 750. But yeah, that's making a comeback. Cadena, Decentraland, Celsius. Celsius is moving up. Avalanche, Axie Infinity, so, you know, Metaverse coins here. Waves. That's another one that I had way back in the day. So it seems like not too many value coins here. You've got Avalanche, Polygon, Chainlink, Near Protocol, and then ETH. Well, yeah, everything is up today. Everything up today. Major price action. So, good combination of growth and value coins. Everything mooning today. So, kind of hard to lose money in crypto unless you rainbow bear crypto. But that's not really a great idea. And yeah, on the red side, only thing down is Decred. 3.21%. So, everyone making tendies on crypto today. Congrats to everyone. Alright, let's get to some news now. Or I guess Low Roller has a few links here about currencies. Have to take daughter to gymnastics. Good night, all. Alright, peace out, Joe. Appreciate you for stopping by. Have a good night. Alright, what do we have? Jasmine, Red Coin, and Million. Wow, Jasmine's almost down to 3. That's pretty nasty. Yeah, Jasmine down to 3 cents here, almost. Well, one up today. Wonder what it was before today. Yeah, I got you, Low Roller. I see those articles. It was at 3.1, so still a whole army behind this. It's number 314 now. It was like 1 something when it got big. Yep. Look at this. Is this StockTwits or is this Twitter? Live chat. They have live chat now on CoinMarketCap. See? Still a lot of bulls. Let's go. Moon. Oh, it's pretty sad. Buy the dip, pump it, and then everyone else is saying scam coin. I wouldn't call it a scam, but major disappointment. And then what's this? Red coin. Wow. I still got my red coin, but I don't even know what it's worth. It's been going down. Well, I'm still hodling, not because I want to, it's because I'm just stuck with it. No exchange to sell except for, what's it called? Bittrex, which I can't even use in New York. So, yeah, see, Bittrex is the only thing you can really use. 95% of the volume on Bittrex. So, still holding. And Million, this is Tech Leads coin, Million token, right? Million coin or something. Oh, look at that. Yep, Classic pump, and then he probably dumped it all here at 200, and then just rug pull. So, yeah, another YouTube influencer, you know, scamming here.
And it's gone.
Alright, and then we got 2 articles here from Low Roller. Oh, I gotta disable ads. Alright. Alright, what do we have here? China basher and his cancer freedom gets traded, then waived by the Rockets. Alright, so he did get waived. I didn't know he got waived. That kind of sucks. He's a pretty good player, you know? It's definitely not bad. I don't want to play this. Don't play. Okay. Sorry about the sirens, guys. Gotta talk over it. So, yeah. Rockets waiving cancer freedom. Yeah, so, honestly, I'm not surprised. Because the NBA, they couldn't, like, really do anything. I think the commissioner talked with him. And he's like, well, you can do whatever you want, but, you know, you might be causing controversy. And candor freedom is like, yeah, I know. So, kind of reminds me of Kyrie Irving a little bit, you know? I knew this wasn't going to go well. But I thought it was good enough to where, like, people wouldn't care that much, but yeah, I don't know. And, I don't know, YouTube might not like this, but, you know, NBA is very, at the end of the day, it is a business. I think China's their biggest market, to be honest. Chinese people love basketball. They love NBA. And, you know, the NBA's values don't align with China's, but they won't do anything or say anything because that's where the money's at. So, kind of hypocritical to me how, you know, they're like, they'll stick up for, like, all these other issues. They're, like, really pro Black Lives Matter, but then when it comes to, like, Taiwan or China or anything, I don't know. I don't want to get shadow banned here, but silence, you know, nothing. So, you know, NBA, they're pretty hypocritical. And, yeah, and then, you know, this guy, Cantor Freedom, is just out there bashing China and then getting the games pulled and stuff, so the NBA can't like that. So, yeah, he's getting blackballed. He's like Colin Kaepernick type of deal right now. You know, and he's still good, so it kind of sucks, but he did it to himself. What up, 1010? Thanks for being here, dude. Happy Tuesday. Yo, yo, yo. You mean hey, hey, hey.
Hey, hey, hey. What's up?
Thanks for being here, dude. Appreciate you. Hope you made some fat tendies today. Great day, so kind of hard not to. No NBA team will sign him. I heard he will play for Turkey. He can't go back to Turkey because because he talked bad about Turkey too. I think there's a, they're gonna like execute him. Why is 1010 not mod? Good question. I can give 1010 mod. Yeah, he's here enough. And how ironic is that? And then the spammer comes. Sure, I'll give 1010 mod. It's a mod now. Yeah, someone get rid of that spammer, please. He's like Colin Kaepernick. Yeah, exactly. But no, he can't go back to Turkey because I think he's gonna get thrown in jail and possibly like deleted because he talks about Turkey too, and I think he's banned from coming back to Turkey. Removed by Dark Lord Peasy. Peasy's in here. He didn't say anything. What up, Peasy? Thanks for being here, dude.
Hey, hey, hey. What's up?
Yeah, I'm pretty sure like his family gets spied on to make sure they're not talking to him. So no, I don't think he can go back to Turkey, dude. Because I remember when he was on the Knicks and they played a game in London, UK, and he couldn't go because he was scared that some spies were gonna come over and delete him. So he was like fearing for his life. So no, I don't think he's gonna play for Turkey. He going to working in Wendy's since he can't play in the NBA. Wendy's is always hiring. That is true. Give him the Wendy's. On the low? Yeah. Sneaking in here. I appreciate you for being here, dude. As always. Because mod sounds like responsibility, and I have avoided responsibility like the plague. Yeah, I know, adulting is hard, right? No, you deserve it, dude. You don't have to do anything. But, you're here enough, so you get the mod. Alright, what's this? Elon Musk has donated $5.7 billion in Tesla shares to charity. What he donated to? So this would make him the second biggest donor after Bill and Melinda Gates. What did he donate it to? What up, Marvin? Thanks for meeting, dude. Appreciate you.
Hey, hey, hey. What's up?
Please smash like button, guys. Does it say what he didn't really say what he donated to. Anyway, I will say, oh, this is pretty funny here. I did hear about this. Elon Musk offered a teen $5,000 to delete his Twitter account, and a Model 3. He offered him, I think it was 20,000 actually. He offered him some money and then a Model 3, Tesla Model 3, to delete his Twitter account because this is like this teenager who just tracks where he's flying, just tracks his like flight pattern, and he just posted on Twitter like this is where Elon Musk is currently at. There's like a live location on Elon Musk, and then he messaged the kid like, "Can you please stop doing this? I'll give you a car." And the kid's like, "Nope." Anyway, so I will say, Elon Musk actually does sound like he wants to help the world out and stuff, but this definitely is because of tax reasons, or I'm not gonna say definitely, but I'm pretty sure this is because of tax reasons as well, because, for the most part, like yes, some rich people do care about, charity and philanthropy and all that stuff, but the number one reason why rich people donate is because they get a tax write-off. I'm not gonna lie, like I'm gonna start doing this when I get to that point. I'm gonna start, donating to charity and stuff, and and it's you win both ways. You save money and you give to charity. But if there was no like tax benefit, rich people would not donate. I guarantee you that. So, pretty sure this is number one because of tax reasons, and number two because, you actually make a difference in the world. Doesn't say what he's donating to. But yeah, last year he did talk about world hunger and stuff, so that's pretty cool. But yeah, pretty sure this is because of tax reasons, number one. He's going to play in Greece. Yeah, that's an option. I don't think he's going back to Europe. That'd be pretty dangerous. But Greece is Europe, but that's like further out Europe. Yeah, he could. May still be in danger, though. Alright, and then I got 3 articles here myself. Give me 1 second. I'm surprised Twitter didn't shut down the kid's account. Elon Musk asked the Twitter kid account to shut down. Yeah, he like personally messaged him. He slid in his DMs. Can you stop doing this? Kid is like, nope. Reese is closer in Turkey's. Yeah, that's Europe. But he can play G League. That'd be a slap in the face. I mean, so is Jeremy Lin, right? But that's an option. But you're not going to get any money there. All right, so today I got 3 articles. One about Binance, one about Dakota and Bitcoin mining, and one about Disney and the metaverse. So let's read here. Oh, spammers out in full force today. Binance removes company name from its blockchain network branding. Binance today announced it is rebranding its 2 blockchains under one new ecosystem, BNB chain, to support its MetaFi push. I don't even know what MetaFi is, but Binance is... I mean, I have an idea what MetaFi is, but that's the first time I'm hearing MetaFi. So it sounds like, you know, metaverse coins in the decentralized metaverse coins there. But yeah, so they have Binance Chain and Binance Smart Chain, and they're going to combine them into BNB Chain. So actually, I'm not sure how big this is. It sounds, you know, like pretty big news. But yeah, there's only one Binance Chain now, BNB Chain. So they're upgrading the technology here. Yeah, its new single blockchain will allow greater innovation. The company hopes to make BNB Chain a place for the hottest crypto trends of right now, NFTs, DeFi, and the metaverse. Yeah, MetaFi is Binance's umbrella term for the latest tech projects: metaverse, DeFi, GameFi, SocialFi, Web3, and NFTs. Yeah, so they're just upgrading their blockchain here. So, I mean, good for Binance. Pretty big news. Just to start for Binance, legal bills still coming. Legal bills still coming. What do you mean, like lawsuits and stuff? Everyone is, you know, the U.S. and Canada, they are pretty, like, they do want to crack down on Binance. I mean, they already have, but they're still not following rules. Binance isn't. Breaking news, stock making biggest moves, Airbnb, Roblox. We saw Roblox. What's up with Airbnb? We'll look at that in a second. All right, next article here. Upgrading the infrastructure and not calling it Binance because it has a bad taste in people's mouth. That's a good marketing move. I mean, it's called BNB chain, right? But yeah, it's not called Binance because a lot of people don't know what BNB is. But yeah, that's I guess that's a marketing move there, taking the name Binance out of the actual chain. Gotcha, low roller. All right, so this one is about Bitcoin mining in North Dakota. That's the only thing Dakota is known for is oil. You know, not many people live there. Okay. So ConocoPhillips is selling extra gas to Bitcoin miners in North Dakota. ConocoPhillips is selling extra flare gas to Bitcoin miners in North Dakota. The company said in a statement to CNBC on Tuesday that it has one Bitcoin pilot project currently operating in the Bacon, a region in North Dakota known as important source of new oil production in the U.S. The gas which would otherwise have burned off is instead routed to a Bitcoin processor that is owned and managed by a third party, according to the company. I mean, that's good business in my opinion, because Bitcoin mining does take a lot of energy, and I'm not exactly sure what flare gas is, but it sounds like it gets wasted if it's not used for this purpose. So it's a mutually beneficial business decision by ConocoPhillips, oil company, and the Bitcoin mine. So, good way to innovate, as far as I'm concerned, at least, as far as I know. Maybe it's still bad for the environment. Apparently, Bitcoin mining is really bad for the environment, but this is a way to save energy and make money at the same time. So, maybe we'll see more of this stuff in the future. Yeah, Bitcoin mining is like a controversial thing now. Elon Musk doesn't like it, and the mayor of New York, Eric Adams, is like, he's pro Bitcoin, but not for Bitcoin mining. He wants to shut down the mining facilities around New York. So pretty decent news here. This may be the start of something big. A new way to get energy for Bitcoin mining. Yo, what company was that? It was a Bitcoin company that bought an oil refinery or something weird. It was a super sketchy SPAC merger a couple months ago. I'm not sure if this is the one you're talking about. That one was ConocoPhillips. I'm not exactly sure, dude, but yeah, Bitcoin company that bought oil refinery. All of those Bitcoin SPACs are like super sketchy. So, I mean, some of them are bound to work, right? But most of them are straight up scams. But hey, it looks like that one's paying off. What up, Rich? Thanks for being here, dude. Appreciate you.
Hey, hey, hey. What's up?
Please smash the like button, guys, if you haven't. Appreciate it. Sanctions on SWIFT payments for Russia pushing oil to 100 plus a barrel. Russia wants to use alternative payments. Yeah, that's why they want crypto now. Well, Putin wants crypto. The central bank doesn't want crypto, but Putin's pretty pro-crypto. Yeah, dude. A lot of people talking about that whole Ukraine situation right now. A lot of people think that he's going to invade. I'm not exactly convinced just yet he's going to. But that is a big thing. And oil has been going up a lot lately. It's been holding up, a lot better than everything else that's gone down for the past month. So, but funny today, oil is the only thing that went down today. Everything else went up. But yeah, oil in general, the past month here has been holding up really well. So oil could be the move, not financial advice. But yeah, Russia wants to use alternative payments. Yeah, Putin is pro crypto, and pretty funny because all of Europe gets. Well, not all of, but most of Europe gets their oil from Russia right now. So they're trying to move to like alternative energies, green energies and stuff. But Russia has a lot of leverage there because they send Europe a lot of oil. So very unique situation going on over there. So we'll see how that plays out and how that affects the world and the stock market. But a lot of people watching that right now. But appreciate you, Rich. Thanks for being here. And a good point, dude. One more article link. Yeah, got you, low roller. Virgin, what up, O'Milly? SPCE, or I missed it? No, you didn't miss it, dude. We'll get to that shortly. Just going to finish up the articles here. And then we'll do AMC and then SPCE. So, nope. Well, thanks for being here, dude. Appreciate you, as always.
Hey, hey, hey. What's up?
So no, we're still getting to SPCE. We'll do that after AMC. So maybe, I don't know, 20 minutes or so. What is GREE doing these days? I'll tell you what they're doing.
Because
I actually don't know what they're doing, but that's what I assume they're doing. GREE. Let's check out. What was the one? What was the one that was going up? CNBC just said. I already forgot what was going up. It was Roblox. Yeah, whatever. Screw it. But GREE. I mean, it's been holding around 11. 12-ish. Yeah, really not doing anything here. It did fill the gap down here. Wow. Yeah, not doing anything. It's just chilling around like 11, 12-ish. All right, last article here. Well, we got one more actually from Low Roller. All right, so this one's about Disney. Please smash the like button, guys. Disney has a new executive in charge of the metaverse. Key points. Disney CEO Bob Chapek appointed executive Mike White. Mike White, that's such a generic name. There's a quarterback on the Jets named Mike White. I'm sure there's a lot of Mike Whites, but yeah. Mike White to lead the company's metaverse strategy. Chapek has not provided any specific details on how Disney plans to make money from the metaverse. The metaverse refers to the concept of the new entertainment supplied by virtual reality devices that promise to usher a new wave of business on the internet. Alright. So Disney trying to get into the metaverse. I mean, they're into like NFTs now. Remember, I think we discussed that like last week or something. They're getting into the whole, everyone's cashing in on this stuff. NFTs and the metaverse, this is the new thing. So, yeah, they hired someone to design their NFTs not too long ago, and now they're hired someone to lead their metaverse campaign. So they don't even know what they're gonna do yet, but I can see it. You can go to Disneyland in the metaverse in the future. That'd be pretty cool. No lines or whatever. I don't think it's quite gonna be the same riding a roller coaster. Getting on a ride in the metaverse versus real life. There's like 4D rides. That's like kind of a thing now already. But I don't know. Maybe you can just walk around the digital metaverse, the digital Disneyland. But to me, maybe I'm just old, but to me, it sounds like a watered down experience of actually going to. You gotta experience things like this, but yeah, Disney, they're getting into the metaverse now. They don't even know how they're gonna do it, but they're gonna do it. So maybe in the future here, you can go to all their theme parks, their cruises or whatever, all their properties digitally and not in real life. It's all about the Web3, baby. Yeah. Everyone cashing in on this right now. Everyone getting in. All the corporations. They don't even know how they're going to do it, but we have to get in this because it's money. More spammers. Spammers are out here today. All right, last one here by Low Roller. Crypto exchange Binance to take 200 million stake in Forbes. Yeah, this is not breaking news. This is 5 days ago, so not surprising. Forbes is not the most reliable source, I would say. You pretty much pay them money, and they'll put you in their top 100 richest people or whatever. So I think this is more for marketing reasons. Forbes is probably just gonna talk about Binance a lot now, and the guy CZ, the CEO, probably they're gonna rank him like number 1 richest person in the world, or like pretty high up there. Like top 5 probably. Yeah, so this isn't breaking news, but pretty big news. Probably for marketing reasons. Binance is taking a stake in Forbes now. Okay. So that's all the news for today, guys. Let's get to some TA now. And I actually want to see, what did CNBC say was pumping right now? Airbnb, that's what it was. All right, Airbnb. Let's check out Airbnb real quick. So Roblox was mooning. What's Roblox doing right now? Yeah, it's not that bad. It looks like a bear flag, but it's holding. And what's up with Airbnb? All right, nice little gain here. Not much, but nice little run for Airbnb. I guess they had good earnings. Let's look at Upstart again. That one was mooning. Yeah, still mooning, but looks like it's holding up here. All right, guys. So today we're going to do AMC, SPCE, Virgin Galactic, and BBIG. So, shouldn't take too long, but yeah, a lot of meme stocks here. You know, Wall Street Bets, StockTwits favorites here. So, we'll get through this, and then we'll get to the Yolos, and Yolos are like, today. They're alright, not too many. I mean, the content itself was like pretty good, but where's my water? But I only have 3 Yolos, so Wall Street Bet's slacking on that. So we'll get through this and we'll get to the Yolos. But yeah, this shouldn't take too long, unless you guys decide to stay and chat. Always welcome that. I thought it was gonna be like hour and a half show or 2-hour show, but it took a pretty long time for the news there. Because a lot of people coming in and chatting, which is cool. But yeah, let's finish up here with the TA and the Yolos. Of course, fire truck comes. Never fails, never fails. All right, let's do it. Okay. So my collar here. Whatever. So here is AMC Entertainment. This finishes at $19.48 today. That is up 9.75%. Man, half of NY must be on fire. Yeah, always is. Always something happening. And crime is going through the roof right now. I mean, it's everywhere. Every major city. Crime wave. But, yeah, New York City. And I just live on a really busy block. I live on like a 4-way intersection. But sirens haven't been too bad today. Sometimes it's really, really bad. Today, not too bad. So, once again, we're talking about AMC. Major price action here today. And this was number 2 on StockTwits after SPY. So, once again, we will analyze it. So, it seems like this price action today was because, in general, market did really well. Especially the growth/meme stocks. And we also had some minor news here, so let's check it out. Alright, so the news is that AMC Theaters acquires and will reopen Chicago area movie theater Evanston 12. So it says the movie theater was previously operated by Cinemark. So AMC bought them out, and it's going to reopen the movie theater. And this comes after they did the same thing for 2 other movie theaters, one in San Diego, I believe, and one somewhere else. So AMC is acquiring a lot of properties and expanding. So minor news there. Not the biggest, but probably had somewhat of a factor on the stock price. So yeah, it seems like overall market sentiment and bullish news there causing the price to go up almost 10% today. Very nice. So let's go ahead and analyze here. So first of all, this looks like a cup and handle in the making here. Bottom of the cup being around 1410. And it looks like the top of the cup could either be 2435 or around 29. Well, 29 or 30.90. This actually can go up to 42 as well, although that's pretty unlikely. But it doesn't really matter where the top of the cup is. Those are all bullish indicators. That is telling us the stock should come back up to one of those tops to complete the cup. This also looks like a bull flag in the making, and we are getting some confirmation right now. So here's the flag. So here's the flag pole, and now the flag is forming. So that's another bullish indicator that is telling us the stock may want to break out to the upside. And that's about it. Don't see much else here. Okay. And if you guys want to follow along, the link to the chart is in the description down below. So right now this is trading between the sideways channel, the rectangle of 2035 and 1855. So if this goes to the upside, next levels of resistance would be 2035, 2245, 2435, 2535, 2675, 2785, 2895, 3090, 3195, 3365, 3480, 3605, 3760, 39, and then 4020. There is resistance above 4020, but we're not going to discuss that right now. And if this goes to the downside, next levels of support would be 1855, 1730, 1650, 1535, 1410, 1295, $12, 1090, and then 985. There is support below 985, but we're not going to discuss that right now. So right now at this current price, 950, the channels to the upside are pretty wide. So if this continues to run to the upside, expect a significant increase in price action. Looks pretty bullish there. But to the downside, the channels are normal sized, so expect a normal amount of price action if this runs to the downside. RSI is currently at 52, so that is pretty average there. So according to the RSI, this current price of 1950 is around fair market value. And this did 39.5 million in volume today, which is way below the average. So this pump today was not confirmed by the volume. Okay, guys, just my opinion, not financial advice. And we already talked about this yesterday, so it's going to be more or less the same. this does look pretty bullish. The chart does look pretty bullish right now. Again, we have the cup and handle, bull flag, wide channels to the upside, all bullish indicators, no bearish indicators, and we have a neutral indicator in the RSI. So overall, it does look slightly bullish to bullish in the short and long terms right now. I've been saying the past couple of times we covered this, I thought 1410 was a really excellent entry. Came up quite a bit since then. But even here at 1950, still a pretty decent price. Not the best, but pretty good. So therefore, if you want to go long, not financial advice, I would support going long at 1950 and lower. If it pulls back below 1950, then you can just average down at the supports that I mentioned before. But yeah, a lot of bullish indicators, a lot of upside potential. No bearish indicators, not too much downside potential. So this does appear to be a pretty good buy here in the short and long terms. Again, you missed a really excellent entry, but 1950 is still pretty good one. Now, if you want to go short, not financial advice, I would not do that, and I would not recommend that. Again, a lot of bullish things going for the stock right now. A lot of upside potential. Not too much downside potential. This is AMC. This is the meme stock. You never really want to bet against the apes. Never underestimate the apes. I think at most this will pull back down to around $14. So maybe you can get around a 25-30% gain on the downside here, but I think that's pretty unlikely. I would say going short here would be a high risk, low reward play. Well, high risk, medium reward play. It could work out, but it's just way too dangerous. It's just way too dangerous for my liking. Again, well, it is pretty decent money to the downside, but you'd be exposing yourself to a lot of upside risk here, and you could easily get squeezed out. So it doesn't seem to be that great of an idea. There are much better short plays out there in the market. This one looks a bit too risky for my liking. So I would not do that, and I would not recommend that. So pretty straightforward here, guys. Looks really good, technically. Looks like a pretty good buy for the short and long terms, and really don't see a reason why you would go short on this. So congratulations to everyone who made money in the stock today. And good luck to everyone currently in this stock and to everyone looking to take a position. This is AMC Entertainment. Alright, next one, Virgin Galactic. Okay. So here is SPCE, Virgin Galactic Holdings. This finishes at $10.74 today. That is up 31.94%. So major price action on the stock today. Haven't talked about Virgin Galactic in a while here. But this did make number 3 on StockTwits today after SPY, and AMC. So it's worth analyzing. So there was a reason as to why the stock went up so much today. First of all, the market overall did really well, especially meme/growth. And then we had some pretty big news coming out here. So let's check it out. Okay, so the news is that the company is offering spaceflight reservations for $450,000. So if you have $450K, you can go ride on the Virgin Galactic rocket ship. And tickets go on sale tomorrow, February 16th, so immediately. So that's some pretty big news there, pretty bullish. This comes after a lot of delays. You know, there was a lot of delays on their test flight, and then after their test flight was successful, they got grounded by the Aviation Commission. So it's been setback after setback, but great news here, really bullish. Stock up 32% today. Very nice. So let's go ahead and analyze here. So this does look like a... Okay. Actually, yeah. So this looks like a triple gap down. First gap down at 31.30. Second gap down at 23.65. And then the third gap down is around 12.35. So those are all bullish indicators. That is telling us this stock should eventually come back up to all of those gaps to fill them. What else we got here? This also looks like a cup and handle in the making. Looks like the bottom of the cup is around 780. Excuse me. And there are multiple possible tops. It could be 1280, 1380, 1465, 1720, and it could go really as high as $53, although I think that's really unlikely. But it doesn't really matter where the top of the cup is. Those are all bullish indicators. That is telling us that the stock should eventually come back up to one of those tops to complete the cup. This also looks like a possible bull flag in the making here. No confirmation just yet, but after today, after this big run, a flagpole is forming. And then all we would need is a flag to get confirmation. And that would be a bullish indicator. That is telling us this stock may want to break out to the upside. And there is a gap up here today at 860. So that's a bearish indicator. That is telling us this stock will probably come back down to 860 to fill this gap. That's about it. That's all I see here. Okay. And if you guys want to follow along, the link to the chart is in the description down below. So right now this is trading between the sideways channel, the rectangle of 10.85 and $10. So if this goes to the upside, next levels of resistance would be 10.85, 11.55, 12.80, 13.80, 14.65, 15.20, 15.95, 17.20, 18.20, 18.85, 19.55, 20.35, 20.95, 21.85, 22.60, 23.65, and then 25. There is resistance above 25, but we're not going to discuss that right now. And if this goes to the downside, next levels of support would be $10, $9, 8.45, 7.80, and then the low of 7.20. $7.20 is near the all-time low. No support below that. So right now at this current price, $10.75. The channels to the upside are really wide. So if this continues to run to the upside, expect a significant increase in price action. And to the downside, the channels are wide up until $9. So if/when this, so expect a significant amount of price action until this comes back down to $9, and then after 9, and then below 9, the channels are regular sized. So expect a regular amount of price action if this comes below $9. RSI is currently at 56. So that's a little above average there. So according to the RSI, the current market price, $10.75, maybe a little bit too high. And this did 181 million in volume today. Very significant volume. Second biggest volume day of the year. So this pump today was confirmed by the volume. I'm going to take a quick drink here. Okay, guys, just my opinion, not financial advice. The chart looks really bullish, I have to admit. In the long term, again, triple gap down, cup and handle, bull flag, all really bullish indicators. We have a bearish indicator in the gap up and a neutral indicator in the RSI. But overall, the chart does look pretty bullish in the long term, I would say. I am pretty concerned about this gap up form today at 860. I think this ran on really good PR, really good news. And usually the gaps do fill. So I do think in the short term here, this will pull back down to 860 before it goes back up again. So in my opinion, I think short term, this will probably pull back to 860. Longer term, this looks really bullish. So therefore, if you want to go long, not financial advice, $10.75 is a pretty decent entry. You missed a really good one today. But personally, I would wait. But personally, again, I think it's coming back down to 860 to fill the gap before it goes back up. So personally, I would hold off and set the buy orders. What is going on with my voice here today? But personally, I would wait and set the buy orders at 860, and I think that'd be a really, really excellent entry. If you're a little patient, maybe a couple of days, couple of weeks here, you should be able to get this back at 860, and I think that's a really, really excellent entry. So I would support going long at 860 and lower. If it pulls back below 860, then you can just average down at the supports that I mentioned before. Again, 1075. In the grand scheme of things, it's not a bad entry, but I think you should be able to get, but I think it will pull back and you will be able to get a much better entry. Now, if you want to go short, not financial advice, again, I think it's coming back down to 860. So it's a pretty decent play. How much would that be? It's about 20%. From this current price, 1075 down to 860. That is around a 15 to 20% downside. So, not the most tendies in the world, but pretty decent tendies there. It's not the safest play in the world because there is a lot of upside potential. But you should be able to make a relatively easy 15 to 20% if you go short at its current price, 1075. So I would say going short here would be a medium risk, medium reward play. There is risk involved, but you should be able to make, but this should come back to 860. So I'm not really loving the play, but I would support going short here at 1075, and I would say please cover at 860. Get your tendies, get in, get your tendies, get out. This is not really when you want to hold. This is not really you want to hold for that long on the short side here. This is a quick scalp on the short side. So decent play going short here, not the best, but you should be able to make around 20% to the downside. So pretty straightforward here, guys. Short term, I do think it's going to pull back to 860, so take advantage of the and then longer term looks pretty bullish, a lot of upside potential. So congratulations to everyone who made money in the stock today. Consider taking profits if you're up, not financial advice. And good luck to everyone currently in the stock and to everyone looking to take a position. This is Virgin Galactic Holdings. This is SPCE, Virgin Galactic Holdings. All right, last one today. BBIG. Feel like I'm talking a lot, but almost done here, guys. So here is BBIG Vinco Ventures. This finishes at $3.53 today. That is up 13.5%. So we've been talking about BBIG quite a bit lately, but this once again made StockTwits. But this made number 4 on StockTwits today, after SPY, AMC, and Virgin Galactic. So we will analyze it again. So there really was no reason to justify this price action today. The overall market did go up, especially for growth/meme stocks. And it seems like, based on the social media sentiment, that the apes are still trying to squeeze this stock. Apes still really like this stock.
We like the stock.
Just speculation, though. So let's jump right in. Let's go ahead and analyze here. So we do have... So first of all, we do have a triple gap down. One at 950, one at 750. And one at 585. So those are all bullish indicators. That is telling us that the stock should eventually come back up to fill all of those gaps. This looks like a... And then we have this cup and handle in the making here. Bottom of the cup being around 295. And it looks like the top of the cup is 535. Or 555. And really, this could be an even bigger cup. That tops out at around $11 or $12, although that looks pretty unlikely at this point. But that is another bullish indicator that is telling us that this stock should go back up to one of those tops to complete the cup. Okay. That's about it. That's all I see here. And if you guys want to follow along, the link to the chart is in the description down below. So right now this is trading between the sideways channel, the rectangle of 375 and 350. So if this goes to the upside, next levels of resistance would be 375, 405, 425, 460, 485, 515, 535, 555, 585, $6, 620, 650, 680, and then 705. There is resistance above 705, but we're not going to discuss that right now. And if this goes to the downside, next levels of support would be 350, 330, 315, 295, 265, 250, 225, 215, 195, 175, 160, 135, and then the low of 120. $120 is near the all-time low. No support after that, below that. So right now at this current price, $353. The channels to the upside are pretty wide, so expect a significant amount of price action if this continues to run to the upside. And to the downside, the channels are also pretty wide up until 265. So if this goes to the downside, expect a significant amount of price action until this hits 265, and then expect a regular amount of price action below that. RSI is currently at 54, so a little bit above average there, but according to the RSI, this current price of 353 is around fair market value, maybe a little bit higher than it should be. And this did 33 million in volume today, which is above average, so this pump today was confirmed by the volume. Okay guys, just my opinion, not financial advice, and we've been covering BBIG quite a bit, so it's going to be more or less the same. The chart does look pretty bullish in the short and long terms. Again, triple gap down, cup and handle, wide channels to the upside, all bullish indicators, really no bearish indicators, and we have a neutral indicator in the RSI. So overall, looks slightly bullish to bullish. So therefore, if you want to go long, not financial advice. You did miss a really good entry at 290. I think that would have been a really excellent entry. But here at 355, it's still a pretty good entry, especially if you're willing to hold for the long term. A lot of bullish indicators, a lot of upside potential, no bearish indicators, and not too much downside potential. I think really the worst this can get is 265, and it really shouldn't move too much to the downside after that. So I would support going long at 355 and lower. If it pulls back below 355, then you can just average down at the supports that I mentioned before. But yeah, longer term, a lot of upside potential here. This should eventually fill the gap at 750. That's over a 100% upside. And then it should fill the gap at 950. Which is even more upside. So, yeah, a lot of upside potential. May take a while. Not sure how it's going to go in the short term, but longer term, really good play. Short term looks pretty good as well. Now, if you want to go short, not financial advice, I would not do that, and I would not recommend that. Again, a lot of bullish indicators, a lot of upside potential, no bearish indicators, not too much downside potential. Again, I do think max pain would be around 265. So maybe you can get around a 25-30% gain to the downside, but honestly, I really don't think it's worth it. I would say going short here would be a high risk, medium reward play. Decent amount of money to be made, but not a great chance it's going to go down that low. And a good chance it goes to the upside and you get squeezed out. So just too risky for my liking. Doesn't seem too smart. There are way better short plays out there in the market, and BBIG doesn't seem to be too great of a short play right now. So personally, I would not do that, and I would not recommend that. And here comes the siren. we're doing pretty good here with the sirens. So let me just mute here for a second to take a quick drink, and we'll finish up with BBIG. Oh, this one's pretty loud and long. Is that another one? I think I hear another one, but that's alright. Whatever. So, pretty straightforward here, guys. Looks like a pretty good buy for the long and short terms. And don't really see a reason why you would go short here. That's pretty risky. So, congratulations to everyone who made money in the stock today. And good luck to everyone currently in the stock and to everyone looking to take a position. This is BBIG Vinco Ventures. Alright, guys, that's all the TA for today. Really wasn't too many to go over, but I kind of feel like it took a while. So, yeah, it's 5:44, so I've been going about an hour, 45 minutes here. And let's finish up with the Yolos. And yeah, to be honest, Yolos were, they were today. I mean, they're pretty good, but not too many to go over. So this shouldn't take too long. Should be finishing up here pretty soon. Don't think too many people are still around either, you know. Let me check. Oh, there's still 4. Wow, a lot of likes. So 4 people, 13 likes. Appreciate you guys. That's really, really good. That's above average show here. So appreciate everyone. A lot of people coming in, chatting. And thank you guys for smashing the like button and sticking around too. You know, didn't really expect too many people to stick around. So I got 3 Yolos here. Shouldn't take too long. And then that's the show. So if you guys have anything to say, anything you want me to look at, questions, comments, concerns, charts, put in the chat right now. We'll go over these Yolos and then we'll chill out for a second. And yeah, that's the end of the show. So let's do it here. Alright, so this one is by Cooking Boy. Down more than 50% on Palantir so far. Gonna hold through this week's earnings reports. So, yeah. Bag has been getting heavier and heavier. This is a train crash in slow motion, but I'm buckled in for the ride. However, I think they are going to crush Q4 numbers and announce good guidance going forward. Don't count on it, dude. Inflation / higher interest won't affect them, and an unstable global geopolitical situation would only benefit them. Recently doubled down on leap calls as well. Guess I'm holding these bags all the way to World War III. Alright, let's check it out. So this is shares here. So, yeah, we got 1,250 shares. Cost basis $29. Wow. So, yeah, this is a 20K loss so far.
Good.
Yeah, it looks like it was a 35K YOLO and down $20,000 right now. So over 50%. Pretty nasty. And this is in shares. This cost basis is 29. That's when I sold Palantir. I got out at 27.5. So higher cost basis than when I sold. True Pelentard here. So that's pretty nasty, but at least it shares, you know. Don't know how long it's going to take to get back up there, but eventually it should. So it's not too bad. And then we have Leaps here. He said he doubled down. So we got 50 calls here, Palantir. September 16th, 2022. $18 long call. $18 strike. And he's actually up here, $1,300. So, nice. Recovered a little bit of money. So this here was a $5,000 YOLO, and yeah, he's up $1,300. So not bad here. You know, not that much money on the leap play here, but yeah, got 7 months to go. $18 seems pretty reasonable. So this is actually a pretty good play. One of the shorter leaps, but yeah, $18. Very possible, very possible. So I hope this works out. But yeah, Cooking Boy, thanks for posting. Sorry for your loss so far, but this really ain't too bad. You know, I know you guys love Palantir. So, you know, at least they're not options, they're shares for the most part. And your options are pretty good as well. They're leaps. That's the proper way you do options. And there wasn't too much money on that. So, yeah, you know, cost base is $29, not too bad. It should eventually get back up there. Don't know how long it's gonna take, but you didn't lose money unless you sold, right? So just hold on, dude. Diamond hands, you'll be all right. So it's a loss right now, but you know, not a total degen play. This should work out in the long run.
With diamond hands, they knew they'd profit if they could only hold.
So thanks for posting. Sorry for your loss, but you'll be all right. And good luck to you, dude. All right, this one is by Shady Penguin. Sounds familiar. Past month has been good. So not gonna read all this, but he said he did Google calls on earnings. Then he did shares on Nvidia, Coinbase, and Disney, selling covered calls. Nice. And then bought SPY puts. So it says he's still bad at this. He's still down 70K all time.
Good.
But he did do pretty well recently here. So kind of sounds like a gambling addiction, and he's on a hot streak. So let's check it out here. So we just have a graph. There's not any plays here, but and he said he withdrew 20K. So this should actually be around 80K. So we should really be up $71,000 in the past month. So yeah, he ran it up from about 10K to 80K. So that seems really good, but like you said, he's still down 70K all time. So I'm glad he made some of his money back. But he says he's just going to buy stocks he likes and then sell covered calls against them, which is the way. I believe in that. So it sounds like he went degenning. He's a degen, but he's learning his lesson. Made some money back, and he's going to play it safe. So I agree with that, you know. You can dig yourself out of the hole slowly. And this whole thing, yeah, that's a lot of money to lose, 70K all time. So he was down like 140K before this. But, you know, expensive lesson, but at least you're actually learning here from your mistakes and not just YOLOing like some other apes. But yeah, Shady Penguin, thanks for posting. Congratulations on your gains. And sorry for your losses, I guess. But this is the right way to go, for sure. You know, learning a lot here, making some money back, and playing conservative, which is how you should do it. So congrats to you, and good luck to you in the future, dude. All right, last one here. Here, a siren. Going to talk over it. By Flock of Beagles. Boil, B-O-I-L, plus war equals gains. So Boil is a natural gas ETF. I pretty sure it is. I used to be in that like years ago. Or yeah, it's energy ETF. I think it's natural gas. So yeah, it says Russia is going to invade Ukraine. If you think otherwise, you're in denial. I don't know, dude. I wouldn't be so quick to jump to that conclusion. It looks pretty bad, but Putin's not dumb. Putin is a KGB demigod in Russia. He says he's not he's not bluffing. You can read it yourself. But yeah, Russia supplies the largest percent of gas in the European Union. That's what I said before. You know, Russia pretty much gives all their I said oil, but yeah, all the energy comes from Russia to the EU. And they already cut back supply as a sign they are using a gas as a weapon during the Cold War. Yeah, I don't know about that. I think they're just well, that's possible. But I think they're just leveraging their position here. They're just cutting energy back. I'm not sure if this is sarcasm or not. But the play is real here. So here we got some FDs for BOIL. Boil. We have 20 calls. So these all expire March 18th. So about a month away. Not super FDs, but you know, pretty big FDs. 20 calls for the 29 strike and 20 calls for the 30 strike. So this appears to be a 12.5k YOLO. And right now is up $7,300. 58%. Let's check out Boil. Alright, so it's already in the money. Looks pretty good, to be honest. Well, crazy chart here, but a lot of gaps to fill. So it looks like he bought the bottom, pretty much. So honestly, this isn't so bad. I'm not sure about the rationale behind it, but the play itself, good strikes. They're already in the money. Not the greatest expirations, but decent, I guess, and good timing. So it is somewhat of an FD, but it's not. It's a pretty well planned out FD, and it's working so far, and a good chance it does work. Looking at the chart, so he's already up 58%. That's pretty good, but I don't think he's selling. But yeah, so Flock of Beagles, thanks for posting. Congrats to you so far, dude. Not sure if this is sarcasm or not, but the play is real. And the play is pretty decent. Pretty good. I like it. So, good luck to you, dude. Months ago. Hope it works out. Hope you make some fat indies. Good luck to you. Thanks for posting. And please post updates. Alright, guys. So, that is the show for today. So, really, really good show. This was better than expected. You know, had some pretty good articles. And good TA there, and the Yolos were pretty decent. Not many to go over, but that was good content as well. So this was a really good show. You know, a lot of people in here, a lot of people smashing the like button. So appreciate everyone. Appreciate all the regulars. Familiar faces popping in here. Hope you guys enjoyed. I enjoyed, and that's all I got for today. So I really hope I get some subs from the video today, because this was some good content, and sub count hasn't been going up as much as I'd like it to lately. So, gonna pump this video out and hopefully get a lot of subs today. But yeah, appreciate everyone. And if anyone has anything else, put it in the chat right now. Otherwise, we'll get out of here. But there's only 2 people left, 14 likes, so not sure who's still here, but appreciate you guys. You guys are the real ones. And yeah, 14 likes. That's a lot better than usual. I usually get around like 9 or 10 likes. So, a lot of likes today. Appreciate everyone. All right, Marvin's still here. Appreciate you. Marvin's always still here. Real one. All right, I think that's it, guys. Going once. Going twice. Cool. Thanks, everyone, for watching today. I appreciate you guys. Please, like the video. Please subscribe. And catch me every weekday after market close on the Smarter Gambling Show. You apes already know. Diamond hands to the moon. I'm Ty. This is Smarter Gambling. See you guys tomorrow. Peace out.